The wife is having contractions and it's time to go to the hospital.
You're recording me. I really hate you, Frank Hong.
What? What are you doing?
I love you.
I love you.
See you soon.
Alright, it's time to go to the hospital. We have many cars. I guess we should take the race car.
Ugh, God damn it. Your stupid car's retarded. It's so low.
Thank you. That's exactly what I was going for. Let's go.
What are you doing?
I'm letting the car warm up.
Hurry the freak up.
The car needs to be warmed up.
What are you doing?
You don't understand. The car needs to be warmed up, okay?
Hurry the freak up. Oh my gosh.
I don't think you realize how low I am. Here's my finger. I don't even have a finger gap.
Hurry the hell up.
Let's go.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Oh, don't worry. I'm a professional. Dr. Hong's in the house. Okay. Open.
If you don't want to get kicked, you better turn that solution off.
A few moments later. Admitted. Pain. Drugs. Baby. Alright, it's time to go to the hospital. We have many cars. I guess we should take the sensible SUV because, yeah, it's sensible. Oh my god, can't believe every single light is red. It's all your fault.
Frank Hong, if you don't get to the hospital, I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah. And this is her first side effect.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, and help me out and subscribe and sub. I'm actually going to try and produce a video every single day, so stay tuned for the next one. I also wanted to include a story time. Basically something random, funny that you can get to know me a little bit more. Story time. I got a Rolex for my lesbian girlfriends. I think they misunderstood when I said I wanted to watch.
This is retarded.
Just say, what are you doing? You can't laugh. You have to be angry at me.
What are you doing?
This is terrible acting. How can you not be mad at me? You're always mad at me. Go.
What are you doing?